Hi guys and welcome to the Tattooed Sewer. I've got my blouse here that needs some buttonholes, so I thought I'd do a quick demonstration on how to use this Toyota machine to make a buttonhole. Okay, so first things first, we need to mark out where we actually want our buttons to sit on our blouse. So this is how I've marked up my one. Okay, so I have pinned my guide for where I want my buttonholes. And here I've used my dissolving pen to mark out where I want my buttonhole to go and how big I want it to be. So now I'm going to pop that under the sewing machine. So I've got my buttonhole foot on. I've put it over my mark so that the line sits in the middle, and I've got my top and bottom mark within the hole that I'm going to make. So this is where we're going to sew in here. We're using this as a guide and this to help us keep our buttonhole nice and straight. So on my Toyota, it's a 4-step buttonhole maker. So we will start at the top, then we will do the side and then the bottom and then the other side. So as you can see here, we now have a nice buttonhole. So now what I need to do is to make the hole in the buttonhole. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so as you can see here, I've put a pin at the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to use my seam ripper to make the hole in the centre. The reason for the pin is to stop me sort of shooting off and making just a complete mess of the buttonhole, which I don't want to do. So here's my buttonhole ready with my pins. So what I'm going to do is find my hole. You can start from the middle or the bottom, whichever you prefer. I'm going to pop it through like so, and then just gently push it upwards, taking care not to go up the sides until you hit your pin like that, so you can't go any further. So I'm now at the top. Take that out, take out my pins, don't need those anymore, and now I have a nice buttonhole that I can use, and then I can get on and do the rest. So there you go folks, that's how to do a quick buttonhole. I'm going to get on and I'm going to sew the buttons on and do the rest of the buttonholes, and then I'll probably wear it in a new video when I do one, and I hope to see you soon. If you'd like to see more of me, then you can pop over to my other YouTube channel, which is Strawberry Vintage, which has got a lot more other stuff on there as well as just sewing. Have a great day. Thanks for sharing your time with me today. See you later. Bye. Love to you all. Bye.